Today we're going to install a new light bulb on the passenger side on this 2016 Dodge Charger. Alright, I just made a video removing the old light bulb. Now we're going to replace it with a new one. This is a 9005. First thing we're going to do is just going to go ahead and connect it to the pigtail here. Then we're going to slide it in like so, just a little bit clocked like that, so it'll fit into the fitting. Then we'll twist it and secure it into place. Kind of hard to see, but there it is right down there. That's where we're going to be inserting it into. Then we'll cap it off with this cap here, and you'll fill it there and twist down, and it secures into place. Next we'll put on this cap, and that will go right down in here. Just line it up and then twist upwards and just push it up to secure it, and there it is, nice and secure. That way water doesn't get in there. And I turn on the light, and there we have it. We are set. And that is how we install a new light bulb 9005 onto this 2016 Dodge Charger. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.